there, and welcome to Cooking from the Heart Dining Out. Today we're at the Vanguard Brewpub and Distillery in beautiful Hampton, exploring their incredible menu. And I'm here with Chef John. Chef, tell me about this beautiful dish in front of us.
It's a rice pilaf with some Mailbu carrots and a Airline chicken is what the cut is called. It's a breast with a little bit of the wing here on it. It's a little old school. Kind of wanted to bring a little old school fare back into it.
I like old school. I'm old school.
Well, I mean, I'm old school too, so there we go.
I mean, you know, we're like, what, in our early 20s, so, you know,
I just turned a teenager, actually, so.
So tell me all about this fancy glaze you have.
So we actually use our bourbon right here, and we reduce it down with a little bit of chicken stock so it brings out the sugars, natural flavors of the bourbon. And it complements the chicken here. I'll go ahead and get you a little bit here.
Oh, look at that. It's just sliding right on there. Holy mackerel.
So we don't add anything but the chicken stock and the bourbon to reduce it down. And that's all the natural flavors that you need for this.
It looks amazing. Now, why did you choose this bourbon to make the glaze?
Well, I wanted to incorporate some of our actual spirits that we make here. I've had our bourbon and I think it's delicious, so I went ahead and just messed around in the kitchen for a little bit, and we went ahead and made this.
And the two flavors just really
And it just
highlight
melded
each other?
together, yeah. Just melded together, it was perfect. So it's a very good dish. A little old school, but it's very, very delicious.
That looks fabulous, and I can't wait to try it. You've heard it from the chef, and I completely agree. And for more fantastic food and drink pairings, check out the Vanguard. They will take good care of you. We'll see you next time on Cooking from the Heart Dining Out.